How to fix an error occurred while authenticating with Rockstar Games Service. First step, open run. Type the following text, percentage local app data percentage. Click OK. Search for Rockstar Games folder. Click it. Click the launcher folder and delete it. Once completely delete after, close it. Next step, click settings. Click network and internet settings. Click advanced network settings. Click network reset. Click reset now. Click yes and reset it. After reset, move on with next step. Search for Windows Defender Firewall. Click it. Select Allow an app. Click it. Click change settings. Scroll down and search for Rockstar Games Launcher. It should be enabled in both private and public. If it's not having means, click allow another app. Click browse. Go to C drive. Program files. Click the Rockstar Games folder. Click it. Click launcher folder. You get the application. Click it and add it. Once adding after enable in both private and public, click OK in the bottom side. Close it and move on with next step. Search for command prompt. Right click, click run as administrator. Type the following text. Type it correctly. ipconfig space /flush DNS. Click enter. Next command ipconfig space /release. Click enter. Next command ipconfig space /renew. Click enter. The next command netsh space winsock space reset. Click enter. The last and final command netsh space int space ip space reset. Click enter. Next step, right click application. Click run as administrator or else click properties. Click compatibility. Enable run the program as administrator. Click apply and OK. After completing this, you need to restart your device and check if the problem still remains. Then the last and final step, go to this PC, click C drive, program files, Rockstar Games launcher. Click uninstall and uninstall the application. Once uninstalled after, go to the official website of the Rockstar Games launcher, download and install it.